In this video, I'm going to challenge myself to dropship print-on-demand products without using any Facebook ads. So let me tell you how I plan to do this. I run a print-on-demand store called citycaps.co where I sell dad hats and beanies. And here's how I plan to make money with this challenge without using any Facebook advertising. So Instagram has a lot of independent artists that have a small but a very passionate number of followers. Most of those artists have their own merchandise with websites such as Redbubble. However, Redbubble doesn't offer hats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for these artists, reach out to them, and offer to collaborate with my brand. I will make the hats and they will sell them, and we will both make money. So I hope that's clear, but let me show you an example of how I'm going to actually do this. Step number 1, find an independent artist with a small following of people but a very passionate one. Right here you can see I found this artist with 4.7k on Instagram. I scrolled down to find a design that is going to work well with embroidery. I screenshot it and then I paint over it in Photoshop. I do this in order to ensure that all the colors are going to be perfectly matched in Printful. I then crop out the design, go to Printful, find a hat that I want to use this embroidery for, upload the design, and once I have all the colors I want, I save this mockup. I then go back into Instagram, extract the artist's email, and write this simple email, just changing his first name and attaching the mockups I just created. And once the email is completed, I just send it. And that's it. Once the artist replies, I'm going to explain to him the details of the collaboration, and if he agrees, we will proceed to create the actual product page. So I will now repeat the process many times over, and I'll get back to you as soon as I have a reply from an artist. Alright guys, so I just got a reply from the first artist, and you can see they're asking about the, what I'm proposing, and then this is the page that actually got back. So they only have 1.7 thousand followers, but we might get a sale or two. Alright, so I have some very exciting news. We just signed our first artist. Alright, so as you can see right here, this artist, he has 29,000 followers, and if we click on his story, you can see that they tagged us 3 hours ago, and this is the hat we made. And right here you can see that we have a big spike of traffic on the website. There are currently 5 people in the store right now. Unfortunately, these sales are not from the collaboration, but I will keep you guys updated. Alright, so 1 minute ago we got a sale for $34, and let's check if that's the collaboration. And yes, it is. Right here you can see that someone purchased the AVR method beanie. So let's calculate how much money we actually made. Alright, so we're now on the back end of my Printful, and this is where the fulfillment and the magic happens. So you can see that we made a profit of $7.20, but keep in mind that we have to exclude $2.50 that we're gonna pay for artists as a sales commission. So 7.2 minus 2.5, that makes us $4.7 pure profit. You might be thinking, well, that is way too little. How am I gonna make any money? But keep in mind that this is only the first sale from this artist. And notice right here that there is a file digitization cost for $6.50. Now, this fee is once only. We pay that once, and every other order we're going to make is not gonna have that cost. So for every other sale we're going to make, we can include $6.50 right here. So that's going to make a profit of $11. So just to sum up, for this exact challenge, we made a profit of $4, but if we make more sales from this artist, then we are going to be making $11 from every sale. Woo! So if you're lucky and you find an artist who has a really passionate following and they're gonna buy whatever he has to offer, then you're going to be making a lot of money with this strategy. And the best thing about this strategy is that you don't spend any money up front, right? You only pay for the sale after you get it. right? And it's all in your hands. You can just literally sit down in front of your computer and make everything happen. You know, you can look for these artists, you can reach out to them, you can tell them about what you want them to do. And as you saw in this video, I literally took an existing website that I have and I applied the system that I have, right, which I share with you, and we literally just made a profit. So this is it for this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.